With the increasing demand for solar energy, there is also a demand for more robust technologies to harvest solar energy. Well, along these lines, now researchers of IISc Bengaluru have developed a novel power plant which uses carbon dioxide as heating fluid to generate electricity. Well, the technology is not only cost-effective and reduces water wastage, but is also 50% more efficient than the conventional system.
The world has accepted solar power as the future. And now, the need is for robust technologies to maximize the harvest and utilization of solar power, or concentrating solar power technology in short. Presently, the solar power technology relies upon steam-based Rankine cycles, where heat transfer fluids are heated up to 400 degrees Celsius as it passes through the solar collector. The heat is then transferred to steam, which expands through a turbine to produce mechanical work. This conventional system is not only difficult to scale, but is capital and resource intensive, often with low efficiency. But addressing these issues is the new supercritical carbon dioxide-based solar thermal power plant, developed by the team of Professor Pradeep Datta at the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. This novel concentrating solar power technology uses a supercritical carbon dioxide Brayton cycle power plant for the conversion of solar radiation into electricity. And as the name suggests, the system uses supercritical CO2 as the working fluid.
Now, in the last 10 years or so, or last decade or so, there has been considerable development that has gone towards development of supercritical carbon dioxide as a viable alternative to water-based or the steam-based systems. The biggest advantage of this is that since the entire system is very compact and it has much higher power densities, you can basically use it on top of a solar tower. So this can be mounted directly on top of solar tower, where you can generate heat through the heliostat field or something of that sort, which is not possible in a conventional steam-based system, because sheer bulk of the entire system.
This particular program that we have, we are using supercritical carbon dioxide as the working fluid, and this supercritical carbon dioxide, when it operates in a Brayton cycle is very similar to the cycle that is used in aircraft engines. In that way, we can have very high efficiency even at a moderate source temperature such as 500 degrees or 600 degrees Celsius, which is easily realizable in the case of solar thermal. So with this high efficiency and also compact power block system, the cost of power can come down and be competitive with any other.
According to researchers, with the use of CO2 as the working fluid, which has a very high specific volume, the cycle can attain very high efficiency at moderate temperatures, and the efficiency of the system could be more than 50% compared to the traditional systems. Besides this, the novel system is based on waterless dry cooling and hence reduces the wastage of water, and is quite versatile and can also be used for energy generation from nuclear and waste sources. Towards this end, IISc has already set up the world's first supercritical CO2 test loop for solar power at the laboratory scale. The project is part of the Indo-US Joint Clean Energy Research and Development Center, and Sandhya National Lab is a consortium partner. BHEL, in partnership with IISc, has developed a volumetric solar receiver for SCO2. Needless to say, this novel concentrating solar power technology could emerge as one of the most promising options for an efficient and cost-effective energy future.